My name is Riley McMullen from Snowblock Snowjacks, and today we're going to be looking at SnowGuard compatibility with Berridge Manufacturing and the exposed fastener and standing seam panels that they manufacture. Starting with the 5 exposed fastener panels, there's the R panel and the double rib panel. These are both going to be compatible with all of our polycarbonate screw and glue down guards. Smaller options include the IceJax 1, the Snowbreaker in the 3M screw down and glue down, as well as the Deuce. Larger options that are compatible with both of these panels are the IceJax 2, the SnowJax 2, as well as the Ace. You will also be able to do the Snowcatcher, as well as the decorative snow catchers. Both of these come powder coated to match the panel manufacturer. You will also have compatibility to do the snow bar and color bar with the tall color bracket. The deep deck profile is going to be compatible with our Deuce and the screw and glue down, as well as the Snow Breaker in the 3M screw and glue down attachment options. This is going to be due to the narrow panel flats. Luckily, it is compatible with the tall color bracket, giving you the option to choose between a pad style and bar system. The S-deck profile is only going to be compatible with our 2.67 bracket. This is one of the newer products in our lineup, and it gives you the ability to choose between a pad style and bar system with the snow bar and color bar. The last one on the exposed fastener side, the M panel is going to be compatible with the IceJax 1, the Deuce, and the Ace, as well as the Snowbreaker and the 3 attachment options, and the tall color bracket. With exposed fastener panels, one of the key things to keep in mind is when screwing these guards or bar systems down, you need at least 1 inch of wood structure, decking, purlins, or added blocking, as well as knowing your ground snow load. If your panel has the option to choose between a pad style and bar system, if you're above 45 pounds per square feet, you're automatically going to fall in the bar system category. Moving on to the 10 standing seam panels that Berridge Manufacturing has in their lineup. On the left-hand side is the T panel. This is going to be identical to the high seam T panel, as well as the batten seam panel. These are all going to be compatible with the glue down polycarbonate guards that we have to offer, such as the IceJax 1 and the IceJax 2, the Ace and the Deuce, as well as the SnowJax 2 and the Snowbreaker and the glue down and 3M attachment option. These are not going to be compatible with any of our clamp-on style systems. Moving on here, the curved T panel as well as the curved high seam T panel are not going to be compatible with any of our products. You're not going to be able to do any of our polycarbonate or clamp-on style guards. This is due to the curved nature of the panel itself. The T-lock profile as well as the C-lock profile are going to be identical in terms of compatibility. You're going to be able to do all of our polycarbonate glue down guards, as well as our Snow Bar RCB3 and Color Bar RCB3 utilizing the RCT clamp. This will also give you compatibility with the Snow Cleat RCT. The Z-lock profile as well as the double lock Z-lock profile are going to be compatible with every single one of our products that we offer. If you're deciding to go with a clamp-on system, we always recommend you go with a test-fit clamp before purchasing the whole system. This will ensure the compatibility is accurate. If you have any layout questions, we have a free quoting system that comes with a lifetime warranty for parts, performance, and finish. Underneath the Resources tab, Snowbar Price Quote, and SnowGuard Price Quote. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions on SnowGuard compatibility with Berridge Manufacturing, please give us a call at 1-800-766-5291. Be sure to like and subscribe for more content on metal roof SnowGuard compatibility.